Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain common Xbox gift card activation issues and how to fix them step by step. Step 1. Verify the card details. Make sure you are entering the 25-character code exactly as printed on the card. Even one incorrect letter or number can cause activation to fail. Step 2. Check your Xbox account. Xbox gift cards must be redeemed on a valid Microsoft account. Ensure you are signed in to the correct account before attempting redemption. Step 3. Confirm the card status. If the card was previously redeemed, reported lost, or damaged, it may not work. You can contact Microsoft support to check the card status. Step 4. Check your region. Some Xbox gift cards are region-specific. A card purchased in one country may not work with an account registered in another country. Step 5. Ensure your console or app is updated. Outdated software can sometimes prevent activation. Make sure your Xbox console or Xbox app is running the latest updates. Step 6. Try redeeming the card on a different device. If activation fails on your console, try redeeming the card through the Xbox website or the Xbox mobile app to bypass device-specific issues. Step 7. Contact Xbox support. If the card still won't activate, reach out to Xbox customer service with your card details. They can verify the code and help resolve any activation problems. That's it. Following these steps should help you resolve Xbox gift card activation issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.